Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my world. Welcome to the commerce world for you. Welcome back to the new interesting concepts and theories from the commerce world. Friends, if you like my video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of the videos. Follow my Instagram and Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. Learning about subtopic life insurance and its types. When it comes about life insurance, certain life ideas and thoughts by the thinkers scrolls in my head. I want to share with you all. Okay, here we go. Let's start learning online, students. Here are some thoughts that scroll over my mind. Like, life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for your own self and for others, your loved ones? The question is, the answer may be simple: life insurance. The best time for the new beginnings is now. You should purchase your life insurance. Life insurance offers a man the only way where he can make his will before he makes his money. Like, the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. You should do something today that your own self or the future self will thank you for. Protecting things that are most important for you are your loved ones, your dependents. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest steps of your life. Life isn't finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Life insurance pays a tribute to your families and the dependent one to make them financially secure when you are not there. If you are not there, after your death, you will be always in their memory and in their heart and supporting them financially from your life insurance and making their dream come true. So it's very important for every person to have a life insurance, and different type of life insurance can be studied. Here we go. What is life insurance? Life insurance is an investment plan that offers a sum of money, either in the form of death benefit to the beneficiary or the legal hire, or as a policy mature to the insured person. In other words, life insurance policy are the protection cover from the financial losses of premature death of the insured person. The named beneficiary receive the maturity amount as the benefit for the future financial aids. Life insurance is a source of providing strong financial support for your family members even after you pass on. The aim of the different types of life insurance plan is not only to protect you and your family members financially, but also to help you achieve your important goals. Life insurance is a mutual agreement between the policyholder and the insurer, the insurance company. Here, the insurance company agrees to some factor to pay expected sum of money to the owner or the policyholder after some unfortunate event or critical illness. It is usually states that it is a contract between insurer and an insured, whereby the insurer agrees to compensate the insured a certain sum of money on the expiry of the certain period or on death, whichever is earlier, for a consideration. Life insurance, in a simple term, If a person buys an insurance policy, the insured person is safe for the whole life, as well as the dependent or the family member or the legal heirs are also secure after his death. Basically, a life insurance is a policy purchased by the insurance company who promise to pay a specified amount. The purpose of the life insurance is to protect the person who are depend on you for the financial obligation upon the death. Who are the beneficiaries? The name beneficiary is a person or the legal heir, waris, or the dependent at the time of your death. There are various types of life insurance policy which a person can buy. First one is whole life policy, endowment policy, term insurance policy, annuity policy, money back policy, child insurance policy, retirement plans, and ULIP, unit linked insurance policy. One by one, we will be studying in a deep concept what are these policies and how they can benefit a person insured. First one, whole life policy, entire life policy. Under this policy, the whole life or the entire life of the person is insured. The insured cannot receive money from the insurance company till he is alive. After the death of the insured person, the dependent or the legal heir will receive money, the premium. The rate of premium is normally very low. The money becomes payable on the death of the insured person to the nominee or the legal heir or the dependent of the insured person. The next one, endowment policy. Endowment policy is also known as bonus plus insurance. Insurance is taken for the specific period of the time under the endowment insurance policy. The sum assured along with the bonus is given on the death of the insured to the dependent or on the expiry of the specific period to the insured person. Basically, endowment policy is like an investment where during a specific period, if the insured person died, the dependent will receive the money along with the bonus. And where did the bonus come from? The bonus is the money invested in the different types of share or the government bonds by the insurance company. And on the completion of the specific tenure, the insured person will receive the specific sum amount plus the bonus from the insurance company. The bonus is not fixed, but it can depend upon the policies or the amount invested in different areas and according to the insurance company policy. The third one, term insurance policy. Term insurance policy is taken for specific period. Term insurance policy has the lowest premium. The lowest premium make it less beneficiary for the insured. Premium is fixed and does not change during the term of the policy. In case of ultimate death, the dependent will receive the benefit amount specified in the term life insurance agreement. Basically, the term life insurance policy is taken by the person whose life is very risky or where it works is very risky for him or her. The dependent are most beneficiary in the term of death, but the policyholder is less beneficiary as till he is alive or till the term of specific period he will not receive any money, as well as after the completion of the term and still the person is alive he will not receive any single penny from the insurance company. And the next one, annuity policy. What is annuity? Annuity means yearly. The insured has to pay the premium in lump sum or in the installment over a certain period of time. For example, a person is paying rupees 50,000 or 50 lakh rupees in installment or in lump sum. The insured will receive back a specific sum periodically from specified date onwards, either for a life or for a fixed number of years. It is more likely a pension payment scheme. For example, if a person is paying rupees 50 lakhs to the insurance company from his age of 25 years till 40 years. Afterwards, from the 42 years, he will be receiving periodically the amount in a small installment for until his death or for a specific number of years, like a pension payment scheme. Next one, money back policy. Money back policy provide a regular percentage of the sum assured during the lifetime of the policy and also guarantees the benefit of full sum assured in the event of death of the insured to the dependent of the insured. Generally, the money back policy is available for 4 terms: 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, etc. For example, if the person is paying the amount till 12 years, then he will be receiving the amount a regular percentage till the lifetime. Next, child insurance. Child insurance policy is a saving cum investment plan that is designated to meet child future financial need. A child insurance policy allows kids to live their dreams. Child insurance policy give you the advantage to start investing in the child's plan right from the time the child is born, and the provisions to withdraw the saving once the child reaches adulthood, age of 18 years. Some child insurance policy also allows intermediate withdrawal at a certain intervals. For example, if a child born, the person is taking an insurance for the child till the age of 18 years, the man cannot withdraw the money because at the age of 18 years he will be requiring the money for the future studies. But some life insurance of child insurance plan, at the age of 7 or at the age of 10, a person can withdraw certain portion of the installment or the insurance policy so that he can meet the financial needs for the scholarship or so on. The next one, retirement plans. A saving and investment plan that provide insurance and income during retirement is called retirement plan. A person can buy to make and secure the retirement financially. On maturity, this corpus is invested for generating a regular income stream, which is referred as pension or annuity. It is like a certain portion is invested in the insurance company, and after the retirement of the job, a regular income is generated from the insurance company as a retirement plan so that the financial needs of the man can be secured until his death. Next, ULIP policy, unit linked insurance policy. Unit linked insurance policy are very popular as they combine the benefit of life insurance policy with the mutual funds. This is more likely endowment insurance policy, but the benefit or the risk are equally important here, as the benefits may be doubled or the risk can be also be doubled. Now, unit linked insurance policy, the insurance company invests the policy amount into different mutual funds, where the mutual funds are subject to market risk and offers a great viability when the share market are very high. The money is invested in a different area or different share market or different shares. At the time of maturity, the person receiving the money may be higher as per the market demand or may be the lower. It is very risky. A certain sum assured is received along with the money depending upon the market condition. So, unit link insurance policy is like an investment plan where after the certain period expiry or the death of the person, the dependent will receive the money according to the market condition or according to the insurance company who invested in the different share market according to their viabilities. Students, we learned today about life insurance and what are the different type of life insurance a person can buy to make the financial needs secure in the future times. What life insurance stand for? A replacement of for money you still don't have. Protection for those who can't work for themselves. Preparation for the events that are uncertain. Saving if you have the time. Love for those who care for you. It is said that do something today that your future self will thank you for. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay motivated, and stay positive. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye.